Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're in Autocad and need the command line back now. First, make sure your workspace is loaded and dynamic input is on. This prevents focus shift. Next, press Ctrl+9 to toggle the command line window. This is the quickest restore. If nothing appears, type command line into the command field or press F2 to view the text window. Once done, look at the window list on the View tab to verify the command line is listed and active. Now focus on positioning and persistence. If the command line is floating off-screen, open View Palette's command line, then drag its title bar and dock it to the bottom of the screen so it reappears on launch. If docking fails, right-click the title bar and choose Reset to restore defaults. Make sure Autocad is not in full screen mode that hides palettes. Once positioned, save the workspace so the command line location persists between sessions and prevents repeat loss. Finish by saving your workspace and restarting Autocad to confirm the command line returns reliably. If it still disappears, reset the workspace from the Workspace Switching menu or run the reset settings to default utility to clear corrupt UI preferences. As a targeted fix, rename your profile or a CAD PGP temporarily. That forces regeneration of defaults. One key troubleshooting tip. If palettes vanish only on certain drawings, run recover on that drawing. Corruption can hide or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.